This is just a short unboxing because I'm not sure what I'll find inside. I ordered a simple white LED strip, so just white, which is usually on a roll, and the packaging should be slim. And yet here we have a thick package, and I don't know what to expect what's inside. Usually RGB LED strips are in this kind of packaging, so let's see. I got interesting products before from this company, and yeah, it was usually a better product than I ordered, so a higher grade product. This was just $3, so let's see what they gave me for $3 or $4. Yeah, it's paper, and here is, what is this? Let me see. Oh, okay. This is funny. Does it focus? So this is a normal white LED strip. It's just white, just what I ordered, exactly what I ordered. But they put it in an RGB in an RGB case. That's interesting. So it has nothing to do with this. Exactly zero to do with this. Yeah. It's not this. Oh, it's a glue gun. So maybe it is. That's kind of strange, because the things are not checked on this. So it's a mystery LED product, because nothing is checked, even though they could have said it's white or RGB or whatever. So this was just a temporary solution. They jammed it into this box. You can see it's damaged, and yeah, somebody was in a hurry to get rid of some junk. Let me see. Is it? Oh, we can test it out. I have a power supply here, and I need a socket. Yeah, so let's put it in. This can output about 5 watts. Let's see. Oh, kinda nice. This is actually kind of nice. Cool white. Yeah, that's what they advertised. This is kind of nice. Very nice. Okay, so they sent a good product. Not exactly what I expected. But yeah, it's okay. I won't even measure it, because if it's more than 2 meters, it was worth it anyway. So yeah, I trust this company from now on. They always deliver the bare minimum or a far superior product. That's good.